During this picnic, we will be celebrating another achievement of reaching 15,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I want to start by thanking each and every one of you for your support over the years, but especially also to Marlene and our families for believing in our work and dedication. Meeting so many of you over the last couple of years has been our biggest reward. Hearing all of your stories, especially about Aruba, is such an inspiration to keep doing what we are doing. Rest assured that this is just a step of much more to come. But for the moment, let's enjoy this milestone.
We hebben appelstroop, de Nederlandse appelstroop, olijftapenade en hummuschips in.
Oké, lekker.
Dankjewel.
Dankjewel.
Gaan wij aan het tweede beginnen.
So this is the box we just received a moment ago, and yeah, looks very delicious.
Definitely.
And we got actually two. This is with the bread and chips.
Yes.
Welcome again to the channel, guys, and welcome. Cheers to 15,000 subscribers. We want to thank you so much for your follow, your support over the years.
Thank you so
And
much.
thank you also for the subscriber that gave us this gift. And it's certainly, we're going to definitely enjoy it. And we have an amazing view. I can even plane spot from here for those who know me. And yeah, cheers.
Salute.
Salute. So, like we often say, without further ado, let's start with our romantic dinner.
Yes.
And thank you so much for your support over the years. I know that YouTube is really hard work, and now that you have your own channel, making especially the shorts, but now also the walk videos, you know how difficult it can be.
Yeah. I see it now. Yeah. A lot of work it is. Boom.
Yes.
I start with cheese, of course.
And me with a tomato. Sorry, I'm bored.
Oh, dus lekker.
But it's got cream cheese or something in it. Really good. Normally, you see the vlogs of us, but usually what we are constantly doing is filming and getting the best shots and presenting it to you guys. But tonight we also wanted to enjoy it a little bit, and speaking of enjoying, we're gonna enjoy our dinner now. So that's coming up.
Zo.
Yes.
Let op de pan, ze zijn een beetje heet.
Okay.
Valt mee, maar een beetje uitkijken. Chicken quesadilla met kaas, die zal ik even voor jullie. Zo.
Doe het zij gewoon even.
Ja.
Hier hebben we de mashed potatoes met truffle
Okay.
en de balashi beef stew.
Okay.
Lekker 8 uur gekookt, dus dat is goed en graag. We hebben nog de salade. Als je de saus wil, moet je een beetje schudden voor de saus overal te krijgen. En de garnalen shrimps, peper en zout, knoflook. En deze kennen jullie denk ik, hè? De rossaus.
Ja.
Hey, smakelijk!
Dankjewel.
Dankjewel.
Lekker.
Alsjeblieft.
Watch the sunset with the boat going through it. Wow, it's a perfect setting.
This picnic experience was the perfect gift to celebrate this accomplishment. Should you want to book it, I'll leave the link in the description below. Now we continue with our dessert and the beautiful setup.
Heel leuk.
Ja?
Ja.
Goed zo.
Ja, we zien natuurlijk al wel een tijdje die mensen hier gezellig zitten. En ja, nu hebben we zelf de kans.
Ja, precies.
Echt
Hebben jullie
heel
het
erg
vaker gezien?
Ja.
Onze setup?
Ja.
Ook op Eagle Beach? Of,
Ja.
Ook hè?
nou,
Ja.
wij doen ook, als we weddings hebben, doen we daar altijd de wedding.
Oh, oké.
En dan of wij doen proposals of ja, gewoon lekker een picknick net zoals wat jullie nu doen. Of een gourmet, die krijgen dan alleen die grote charcuterie.
Oké.
En dan voor de rest wat drankjes wat ze bij bestellen. En dan kunnen ze lekker heel de avond zitten.
Leuk hoor.
Ja, nou
Echt
smakelijk.
leuk. Dankjewel.
Dankjewel.
I consider myself super lucky to do what I do for my island. It was also a dream of mine to produce content, and all I can say is that it has been a wonderful ride. Having Marlene by my side has been such a great support. Thank you, Dushi.
En, is het iets?
Super lekker.
Yeah.
It tastes really, really good.
They look a lot like the things that you sell at the market. Those cocoa
That's true.
things in the name.
Well, this was really a great experience to have a picnic, dinner on the beach.
Definitely. I really enjoyed it. It was a little bit challenging to film, but part of it was to celebrate the subscribers,
Yeah.
celebrate you know what we have accomplished, and we definitely are really full also
Yes,
because it's a lot of food.
it was a lot of food.
So when I was making the reservation, I was looking at the menu and things like that, and I couldn't understand very well. So everything is basically included with a few options that you can, you know, like especially the drinks and things like that. But what an experience!
Yeah,
Definitely.
really cool. We saw it a lot of times. People eating here with a picnic
Yeah.
on the beach, and we were talking about it and that we want to try it, but it's really worth it. It's really romantic and yeah,
And it's
cool.
not like it is not very cheap, and initially at least you think it's not very cheap because you take a look at the prices, but everything that's included and all of the setup and everything is taken care for you. All things considered, taking into consideration how much you pay at a normal restaurant for the experience you get here on the island, this is definitely worth it.
And I find the girls who are bringing the food, they were really sweet and kind
Yeah.
to us, and really cool.
So for me, nothing further. Maybe you have something else?
No,
All right.
thank you so much for watching.
Thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye bye.